Hello and welcome to Lydia Hawk Designs. Today we are going to make a crochet LA Dodgers coffee cozy. This pattern is free at lydiahawk.com, but you can follow along with me today. If you want to find it at my website and download it for free, just search Sports Team in the search field at the top and you will see a graphic for Sports Team Coffee Cozies. There's also a free tutorial for this entire design at youtube.com/Lydia Hawk Designs. The free video tutorial there covers changing colors and making just a straightforward sports team coffee cozy. Today we're going to modify my coffee cozy just a little bit because I want to freeform crochet the LA Dodgers insignia. So if you want to skip forward to the freeform design, you are welcome to do that. We begin by creating a slip knot. I want about a 6-inch tail, and then I'm going to create a hole with the tail on the bottom. I'm going to go in through the top and pull on the yarn closest to the skein. And then secure that to my crochet hook. Now we're going to chain 33. 1, 2. Do not twist your chain. From here, we are going to slip stitch into our first chain space. So the very first one at the very end here, go in through the top 2 loops and you pull through and you pull through again all the way. Chain 1 and we place our marker. Now we are going to single crochet 32. So we go into underneath the top 2 loops. 1, 2. We're going to slip stitch into our marker space. So let's go ahead and remove that. Slip stitch, chain 1, place marker. Round 2 is single crochet 32. So we go right into the very first unworked single crochet stitch and single crochet 32 all the way around. For round 3, we're going to single crochet 15. 2 single crochet. So we're creating our first increase. So 1, we're going to go right back into that and single crochet 1 more. And then we just repeat single crochet 15 and then 2 single crochet and finish round 3. Round 4 through 5, we're going to single crochet 34. Round 6. Single crochet 16, 2 single crochet, so we have another increase. Round 7 through 8, single crochet 36. Round 9, single crochet 17, and then we increase. Round 10 through 11, single crochet 38. Round 12, single crochet 18, 2 single crochet and repeat. Round 13 through 14, single crochet 40. Round 15, single crochet 19, 2 single crochet for our increase and repeat. Round 16 through 17 is single crochet 42. Since we are at the end, we're going to go ahead and remove our marker, slip stitch into that marker space, cut our yarn with a long enough tail to weave in the ends, and then yarn over, pull through. With our tapestry needle, we are going to turn our design inside out and weave in both tails on the wrong side of our pattern. We are going to freeform crochet our LA Dodgers logo. If I do 2 single crochet blocks, it's just a little too big. I am going to start with blocks of 1 single crochet because I think that's going to get me exactly what I want. Chain 2 and then single crochet 1. And then chain 1, turn, and single crochet 1. And chain 1 and turn, and single crochet 1. This is basically going to get us blocks of white that we can use to create the letters. Since we're experimenting, instead of just getting this down and tying it off and treating it like we're finished, I'm just going to make sure that it's in place, not over the top, just enough that it won't move, so that we can continue to experiment with more blocks of white. I want the little edge at the top here. I'm going to single crochet right into the side, just 3. And again, down here, we're going to overlap just a little bit. And there we have it, a crocheted LA Dodgers coffee cozy with our freeform crochet design on the front. If you would like to see something else, please comment below. Thanks for following this tutorial. Until next time.